Good morning. I'm meteorologist Dave Epstein. It's Wednesday, the 4th of February. Let's get to that weather wisdom for today. So, boy, the past 2 days were just gorgeous. We got above freezing, Norwood getting 36, 37 degrees in that area, and just some really nice weather. I was out doing a little bit of cross country skiing in the afternoon, and it was still pretty warm, comparatively speaking. It felt really nice in the sunshine with those light winds. Now, we are going to trend a little bit colder here with temperatures today approaching 30 degrees this afternoon. We had a little bit of a reinforcing shot of colder air, modified polar air, not Arctic air moving in. So it's definitely a colder day today than yesterday by a few degrees. As we head for tonight, partly cloudy, down between 10 and 15. Tomorrow and Friday, sunny on Thursday, partly sunny on Friday. Temperatures 28, 29, 30 degrees, something like that. We're going to start in the single digits. Light winds, so in the afternoon it'll feel fairly nice. Then the Arctic front comes through. The timing of it remains to be seen. Sometime late Friday night or early Saturday. Now, because it's going to come through here, my guess is Saturday at some point. We're going to make it into the 20s on Saturday for a high temperature. We're also going to see some snow showers and maybe a snow squall, so be aware of that on Saturday. I'll get the timing down better here Thursday and Friday. Just want to make you aware of that. And then Sunday, mostly sunny, 15. The record high lowest temperature for Sunday is 14. I think we're going to better that by a degree or two in Boston, but it'll be one of the coldest February 8ths in terms of high temperature on record. The record low is minus 12, nowhere near that. And then as we head for Monday, up near 20 after starting at or a little below zero, and then into the mid to upper 20s on Tuesday. And then we get back above freezing, similar temperatures to what we saw today and yesterday as we get towards next week. I still don't see any big snowstorms in sight. The next thing, again, that we'll have to watch in terms of roadways and things like that will be Saturday morning, and I'll have more on that for you tomorrow. Have a great day, everybody.